Welcome to 44 Lee Road 2181 in Willow Ridge subdivision. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a little over 1,600 square feet. Featuring an open floor plan with brand new flooring and fresh paint throughout the main living areas, this charming craftsman is truly move-in ready. You are going to love this outdoor living space. A custom-built deck overlooks the private backyard. This is the perfect spot to unwind or entertain. This is 44 Lee Road 2181. Don't miss it.
Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.